Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the top 30 drugstore skincare products recommended by dermatologists. Let's get started. First up, we have Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water All-in-One Waterproof. It's super gentle, fragrance-free, and effectively removes makeup, even waterproof mascara, without stripping your skin. Suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Next on the list is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel, a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, it leaves your skin feeling plump, hydrated, and refreshed, giving you that dewy glow. It effectively removes dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier, ensuring a gentle yet thorough cleanse. If you're struggling with dryness or dehydration, give this cleanser a try. It's perfect for maintaining a balanced, healthy complexion. Let's talk about a cult favorite, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and packed with ceramides to restore your skin's natural barrier. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin's moisture. A gentle, effective, and budget-friendly cleanser. Now let's move on to CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser, a product designed to help you achieve clearer skin. It contains 4% benzoyl peroxide, a powerful ingredient that works to kill acne-causing bacteria and prevent future breakouts. This cleanser is tough on acne but gentle on your skin. It includes ceramides to help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier, keeping it healthy and hydrated. If you're struggling with acne and looking for an effective solution, give this cleanser a try. It might just be the answer you've been searching for. Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Foam Cleanser is perfect for sensitive skin. Fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, it removes dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin, leaves your skin feeling clean and refreshed. Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser is ideal for sensitive skin, free of common irritants like dyes, fragrances, parabens, and sulfates. Gently removes dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin's moisture. Leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. Let's move on to serums with Roche-Posay Derm Correxion Firming Serum Stick, formulated with retinol to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Easy to use and travel-friendly, an effective and convenient retinol product. Brighten up your complexion with Vanicream Vitamin C Face Serum, formulated with a stable form of vitamin C to protect and brighten your skin. Gentle enough for sensitive skin and free of common irritants. An effective and gentle vitamin C serum. Ready for a radiance boost? Try Vichy LiftActiv 16% Pure Vitamin C Brightening Serum. With a potent 16% concentration of pure vitamin C, it evens out skin tone and diminishes dark spots. Protects your skin from environmental stressors while promoting a youthful appearance. CeraVe Vitamin C Serum with Hyaluronic Acid is a fantastic option. Combines vitamin C with hyaluronic acid to combat dullness and dehydration. Brightens the complexion and improves skin texture over time. La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Hyaluronic Acid Serum is perfect for hydration. Formulated with 2 types of hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 to draw moisture and soothe the skin. Leaves your skin feeling plump, hydrated, and refreshed. Roche Retinol Correction Line Smoothing Night Serum. Capsules deliver a precise dose of retinol, helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Innovative single-use capsules preserve retinol potency. Biodegradable capsules for an eco-friendly choice. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is a fan-favorite moisturizer. Lightweight, oil-free, and formulated with hyaluronic acid for hydration. Absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Non-comedogenic and perfect for a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer is great for sensitive skin. Formulated with prebiotic thermal water, ceramide 3, niacinamide, and glycerin. Free of common irritants and non-comedogenic. Calms, soothes, and hydrates sensitive skin. Neutrogena Collagen Bank. Moisturizer plumps up the skin and reduces fine lines. Formulated with collagen amino acids to replenish collagen levels. Promotes a more youthful appearance. CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion is perfect for nighttime use. Formulated with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide to hydrate and protect. Non-comedogenic and fragrance-free for sensitive skin. La Roche-Posay Lipicar AP Plus M Triple Repair Body Moisturizing Cream is great for dry, itchy skin. Formulated with prebiotic thermal water, shea butter, and niacinamide. Fragrance-free and paraben-free for sensitive skin. Cetaphil Healthy Renew Night Cream is rich and luxurious. Formulated with peptides, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin to hydrate and smooth the skin. Improves skin texture and reduces fine lines overnight. Eucerin Age Defense SPF 50 provides broad-spectrum protection. Lightweight, oil-free, and formulated with antioxidants like vitamin E and green tea extract. Fragrance-free and non-comedogenic for sensitive skin. Elta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46 is a dermatologist favorite. Lightweight, oil-free, and formulated for acne-prone and sensitive skin. Contains niacinamide and hyaluronic acid for soothing and hydration. La Roche-Posay Anthelios UV Hydra Sunscreen SPF 50 is hydrating and protective. Lightweight, fragrance-free, and formulated with hyaluronic acid. Water-resistant and non-comedogenic for sensitive skin. Bioma Moisturizing Gel Cream. SPF 30 is perfect for a gel cream texture. Lightweight, hydrating, and formulated with prebiotics, ceramides, and niacinamide. Fragrance-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic for all skin types. Neutrogena Pure Screen Plus Mineral UV Tint Face Liquid SPF 30 is a great tinted sunscreen. Lightweight, tinted mineral sunscreen with broad spectrum protection. Provides a natural-looking tint to even out skin tone. Vanicream Facial Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 is great for dry, sensitive skin. Lightweight, oil-free, and formulated with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Fragrance-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic. Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream is a simple, effective moisturizer. Fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and provides long-lasting hydration. Suitable for both face and body and gentle enough for sensitive skin. Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash is a classic. Formulated with Dove's moisturizing cream to cleanse and hydrate. Sulfate-free and pH-balanced for sensitive skin. Cetaphil Gentle Exfoliating Salicylic Acid Lotion is perfect for rough, bumpy skin. Formulated with salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin. Gentle enough for daily use to improve skin texture and clarity. Amlactin Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion is great for keratosis pilaris. Formulated with 12% lactic acid to exfoliate and smooth skin. Fragrance-free and non-comedogenic for sensitive skin. Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream addresses multiple signs of aging. Formulated with peptides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide, reduces fine lines, improves elasticity, and evens out skin tone. Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer SPF 30 combines sun protection with skin brightening. Formulated with soy complex and broad spectrum SPF 30. Oil-free, hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic for all skin types. And there you have it. The top 30 drugstore skincare products recommended by dermatologists. These products have been carefully selected to provide you with the best results without breaking the bank. Great skincare doesn't have to be expensive. You can achieve glowing, healthy skin with these affordable options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and product recommendations. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content. See you.